Hello, I'm Louise Thompson.
And I'm Cynthia Marnie. We're leadership consultants and facilitators, and today we're really excited to launch our online 6-week wellbeing challenge for busy women. And it's kicking off on the 1st of January 2019. So we wanted to let you know what it's about and invite you to get on board and join us to really focus and look in on your well-being for 2019. Now, the way that we've decided to approach it, and we've run it in the past and it's worked really well, is that we have a theme each week for 6 weeks, and our themes are sleep, movement, creativity, connection, work and roles, and nutrition.
Well done. And they are 6 full-on weeks. If you think about it, 42 days of content that arrives to you. We want to keep you focused because you know all this information, there's research, you read about it every day, there's articles on the TV, but we still don't practice it. We don't change our habits. So our program has a framework. We're there to support you, to help you make it work. So there's focus, there's a framework, and we invite you to grab a friend because it's a lot of fun. And if you grab a friend and do it, you're more likely to work together. You've got the support crew that we provide. There's this closed Facebook group, which is a lot of fun as well, and sharing ideas. And we also encourage you to journal the information so that it really is a meaningful 6 weeks of exercise. So what are you waiting for? Jump on and register, grab a friend and complete and compete with yourself on this challenge.
And the reason that we're calling it a challenge is, as Louise mentioned, it is actually a competition with yourself. So it's about making yourself accountable, because if it was easy, we would all be doing all of this stuff to look after ourselves all the time, but women are not very good at it. So the challenge part is, how can you challenge yourself to focus in on your well-being for 6 weeks starting the 1st of January 2019.